All right. Day trading this morning, making one trade, locking down $1,000 in profit. Going to show you exactly how I did that in this video, talking about EOLS this morning. EOLS, curing wrinkles, forehead wrinkle curing serum, Botox, all kinds of fun stuff. Talking about it in this video, kind of what my overall plan was, how I found my entry, and all that fun stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, so it's Monday morning, and getting started trading EOLS. So EOLS, I'm going to show you something I think is pretty cool, or not about cool, but I'm going to just show you kind of what I was looking at here on the different chart I'm going to pull up here. So I think you can see it. So basically, on this 5-minute chart on EOLS, you can see how on the end of day Friday news, the stock got news that they're basically coming out with like a Botox for your forehead that's going to get rid of wrinkles on your forehead. And well, I did a little bit of research and I figured out pretty much that this is a big deal. A lot of people have wrinkles in their foreheads. As crazy as that sounds, I know. So they got news. What happened is, if you look at the daily chart here, they got news that it got approved, that their treatment or the process or whatever got approved, and we were looking for this to push up there. Or I guess not. I don't know. We were only looking to push up. But the news came out there at the end of the day on Friday, and it went from $16 up there to $24. But you can see on this 5-minute chart how overextended this is. So I have the 50 EMAs. I have the 20 EMAs pulled up there, and that's what we're watching right now. And I'm looking for this to push up there to the $23, $24 area later on. So I'm going to give a little bit of time here. Already locked in a little bit of profit, just kind of, feeling good about getting the day started in the green, and looking for this to push above 22.50. I'll probably take a little bit more there, right above 22.50, and look for this to push up there and get moving. Like I said, one of the reasons that I was buying this morning, again, trying to show you guys a little bit easier to see on the bigger time frame. So how this was holding basically all morning long, holding this pre-market 22.50 area. This right here was not a real candle. It didn't dip all the way down there. This was basically just right there, some orders coming through there at 8 a.m. and is basically looking for this to hold. So there's that push. Let's see if we can take some profit here. I might be a little bit greedy here, but I feel pretty good overall about this move, and I think there's a lot of potential here. As I say that, the stock pulls back, but I still think overall this is going to want to get up there above $23 later on. So I'm going to be trying to practice a little bit of patience, let this winner kind of do its thing, let it walk up there and show me the money. So let's see if I can get filled here at 22.60. Looks like there's some buyers kind of stepping in there, 22.60. Sort of a battle right here, the 22.50 right now, kind of getting above this resistance from earlier there, 22.40s, but looking like she wants to go here. It's a little bit of a pullback down to the 22.30s now. Like I said, I'd given this one a little bit of time today. Gonna kind of just let it do its thing. All right, so get another 500 filled into this push up into the 270s again. And I'm locking already down $600 in profit. And looking for this push up there above $23. I think it's very possible that we get above $23 here. And that's what I'm playing into. The idea that this stock does have really good news. It's up big. It's up since $16 up there to $24, and now it's kind of pulled back. We saw that there was some support there. We saw kind of the overall how this was reacting. You got that big push up there, the pullback, and we saw some nice consolidation down there in the 21.50 area. So once I saw that, I was like, okay, I feel pretty good about taking a shot at this and looking for us to push, and that's what we're going to get right here. I think we're going to get this push up here at 23 pretty quickly. Just sitting back, letting it do its thing right here. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop right below this area here at the 22.38 area. I want to see this 22.40, 22.38 area hold. If it can't hold, I'm going to get out there and just lock it down and look for maybe a possible better pullback or something kind of to happen from there. So kind of watching that 22.40 right now. You can see overall, pushing up there to the 22.75. And right now, I'm kind of sitting at this previous resistance area there at the 22.40. So really looking for that to hold there at 22.40. Sticking to my rules here, getting out a little bit of slippage. This thing broke right through. What happened? We got a big buyer step in there. A big buyer tried to push this above 22.70. Just wasn't able to push there. and we broke back down below that support that I was looking for. So my stop ended up getting hit there, and I ended up getting out for a solid $1,000 in profit today. Not bad. So we'll kind of sit back here, see what happens. This might just be a natural pullback, but there was really a lot of just resistance coming up there. You can see this candle here had 46,000 shares traded, had a lot of volume on this candle. Big buyer stepping up there, getting dumped on, and then the stock coming right back down there and breaking through 2240 just basically right away. So breaking through that 2240 and now trying to pull back a little bit. So I'm kind of sticking to my plan there, knowing that I said that my stop is going to be that 2240 area. It might have been a little bit too tight. This thing might kind of bounce off this $22 area. We'll see what happens, but I'm going to play it safe, and I'm going to stick to my plan and take my $1,000 in profit this morning, all before 8:30. Not bad. 30 minutes of work. 30 minutes of work for $1,000 trading here. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. There it is. So EOLS, we'll see what happens if this thing's going to bounce back above that 2275. I don't know. We'll see. Overall, like I said, was kind of just playing into what we saw there on the 5-minute chart, seeing how this was kind of trending higher. Like I said, this candle right here does not count. It's not a real candle, but you can see overall it's kind of trending higher through there and showing some strength there at the 2150 area. Now it's back above 2240. I'm going to stick to my guns there. We'll see what happens. I'm going to be trading here live in a little bit. So I'm going to finish this video up kind of talking about overall what I was looking for here, what I was doing, and the overall plan here on EOLS this morning. You can see kind of just holding that nice little trend area. It's going to happen now. It's going to go to the moon, right? It's going to just squeeze to the moon, and kind of is what it is. Whatever. I'm going to take my $1,000. I'm going to walk away there and get ready for the live stream here. And I'll talk to you guys, I guess, during the live stream. I'll talk to you later. Whenever you watch this video, I'll talk to you later at some point. All right.